Hi everyone, this is Maria John from Darsana IELTS OET Academy Kottayam, managed by CMI Fathers. Today, we are going to discuss effective techniques for improving your listening skills and tackling the OET Listening Subtest. So, let's get started. The OET Listening Subtest is divided into 3 parts, with a total of 42 questions to be answered in approximately 40 minutes. The test assesses your ability to understand spoken English in a healthcare context. It is essential to develop effective listening strategies to excel in this section. Let's now explore some tips and strategies that can help you improve your performance in the OET Listening Subtest. Familiarize yourself with the test format. Understanding the structure of the OET Listening Subtest is crucial. Get acquainted with the 3 parts of the test and the types of questions you can expect. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident during the actual exam. Improve your general listening skills. Listen to various English language resources, such as podcasts, news, and medical lectures. This will help you become familiar with different accents, medical terms, and healthcare-related topics. Practice note-taking. During the OET Listening Subtest, you'll need to take notes while listening to the recordings. Develop an efficient note-taking system, using abbreviations and symbols to capture key information quickly. Focus on keywords and phrases. Pay attention to essential words and phrases that convey critical information, such as patient symptoms, medical conditions, or recommended treatments. This will help you answer questions more accurately. Manage your time effectively. Allocate your time wisely during the test. Don't spend too much time on a single question. If you're unsure about an answer, make an educated guess and move on. Stay calm and composed. It's natural to feel nervous during the test, but try to stay calm and focused. Take deep breaths and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, you can listen to each recording twice, so make the most of that opportunity. Practice with sample tests. Regularly practice with OET listening sample tests to develop your listening skills, speed, and accuracy. Use these practice tests to identify areas for improvement and work on them. And that's it. By following these tips and strategies and practicing regularly, you'll be well prepared to excel in the OET Listening Subtest. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out to us at Darsana IELTS OET Academy Kottayam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.